Okay, so moving right along over here to your text messages. You don't actually have to personalize any of your templates for your text messages, yay. But you do need to go ahead and activate your autoresponders. As you can see, I've actually already activated one of these, but typically this is what they'll look like, same as the voicemail autoresponders. So you're just going to click on the edit button so you can basically activate it. Make sure this is selected yes, which it is by default. Check the box, click submit. Okay, you also need to do this for your emails. So for your email autoresponders, you want to do the same thing. You're just going to go here to autoresponders and the exact same process. Click on this little edit feature. Make sure this is set to yes. Check the box, hit submit. Hit the back button. Go over here, do the same thing. This would be checked to yes, hit the box, hit submit. Okay, now these are activated. So I don't know if you followed the very first step that we did where I had you actually send a test email by adding yourself to the affiliate group, which would be actually the other one right here. So I actually did a test where I added myself to this group, your affiliate group, so it would kick out an instant email. As you see, this says 0, and it says 0 because I hadn't activated the autoresponder prior to actually adding myself to the group. However, I will let you know that despite not having activated it, I did still receive the autoresponder. I received the email still, but it's not showing that it's sent because it was not activated at the time that it sent it to me. So be cognizant of that. Also, something for you to be aware of, for your templates or for your autoresponders, if you're making changes to your autoresponders, the correct way to make changes to your autoresponders is not directly in here per se. See how this says select a template? Rather than actually going in here and editing this directly and hitting submit, the best way to do it is to select your template and submit the template. So let's just say, which one are we on right now? We're on the, what do you call it? The customer. It's not prospect, it's for customer. So for new customers. Okay, so welcome instant for new customers. Okay, so the templates for text messages are labeled new customer instead of affiliate, but the prospect is still the same. So here you want to actually select this template, and then you would hit submit, which I'm going to do anyway. But really what you want to do, if you're going to change that, is to not change it right here in your autoresponder, but rather change it in your templates. So if you wanted to make any changes, you don't need to, but if you wanted to, the best thing to do would be find the one you want to change, click the edit button here, make your changes to the template, submit the template, then go over here to your autoresponder here, just like I had just done this already, but hit the plus sign, click edit, find the template that you have, like I just showed you, hit submit, because that will update the verbiage there. So the reason we do that with templates is because you use these templates in other places than just here in the text messages. You're going to use them when you're doing quick one-out communications and stuff. So you just want to have them accessible. Like if you're in the I don't think I have any contacts in here. Let me check. Hold on. I deleted myself. So if you have any contacts in here, when you actually enter a contact record, you're able to send these communications out immediately if you need to on the phone. So if you have a template available, you can send those communications out right away rather than having to type them out on the fly. So that's why it's good to keep the templates. And the same goes for the email, changing your email autoresponder. If you desire to make any changes to this autoresponder, do so by changing your templates first. See right down here, so just make find the one that you want to change if you want to do so. Go ahead, click edit, make any changes to your template that you want to make, like if you have your own Facebook page perhaps. Hit this, save and exit. Okay, save. Then let's say I just did the instant, so for the affiliate. So we'll go over here to autoresponder. That was an affiliate one I was working on, which is also known as customer. Let's say I wanted to edit this one. I would click this edit button here. Then I would find my template that I just did, the instant sold customer. It's as you saw, I just kind of quote unquote updated the verbiage, scroll down to the bottom and click submit. That's how you would make changes to the template if you desire to do so. You do not need to do so because we have designed this so that everything is pretty streamlined. So once you actually get to this step, your system should be ready to go. You should be ready to be able to load leads, which is what I will show you how to do next.